If you're ready to advance your career or pivot into the world of technology, a master's degree in IT at Monash could be your pathway. Monash University's postgraduate programs are built for people who want to deepen their expertise, move into a tech-focused role, or gain future-ready skills. Our master's degrees are non-cognate, so you don't need a tech background to enroll. And if you already have a relevant degree, you could finish your master's in less time. Now, let's take a more in-depth look at the specializations you can choose from. Data science teaches you how to work with large, complex data sets to uncover insights that drive innovation and strategic decision-making. Graduates often move into roles like data scientist, data analyst, or data engineer. In business information systems, you'll design IT solutions and advise organizations on efficiency, strategy, and governance. You'll be prepared for positions like business analyst, systems analyst, or IT consultant. Struggling to choose between two interests or want to further expand your career options? A double master's degree is the perfect solution. It only adds one extra semester to your study, but you'll graduate with two distinct qualifications and a broader skill set. You can pair the Master of Business Information Systems with a degree in either global business or management. These double degree options open up a whole new world of career opportunities by combining your IT skills with core business principles. The Master of Information Technology strengthens your technical capability, preparing you to deliver sophisticated IT solutions to real-world business challenges. Graduates work as software developers, systems architects, IT project managers, and more. The Master of Artificial Intelligence gives you the skills to develop and manage advanced AI systems, covering machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. Step into high-impact careers like AI engineer, machine learning engineer, and intelligent systems developer. In cybersecurity, you'll learn how to protect critical data and systems by mastering advanced security techniques and implementing sophisticated technical solutions. This leads to roles like cybersecurity specialist, security analyst, or cyber defense consultant. With the health data analytics specialization, you'll develop expertise in biostatistics, health informatics, and machine learning to address challenges in healthcare. The degree equips graduates for careers including health data analyst, clinical data scientist, or public health data specialist. Bioinformatics blends biology, computing, and statistics to interpret molecular and genetic data. After graduating, you might find yourself working as a bioinformatician, computational biologist, or genomics data analyst. Each master's program includes opportunities to work on hands-on projects that give you insights into the industry. And if you are looking to continue your academic journey, the minor thesis is a great pathway into a Master of Philosophy and a PhD. No matter your background or experience, Monash offers postgraduate programs designed to support your goals and help you thrive in an evolving digital landscape.
You can view all of these on the Monash website or book a one-on-one course advice session. Monash University, where your tech career begins.